sometimes we got to start moving, even if we don't know where we're going yet. I'm the type of person I like to know exactly what's going on. I don't like going to the mall without knowing what I'm going there for. I don't like going to the grocery store without knowing what I'm going there for. And as I'm walking right now, it kind of got me thinking. I feel like that's one of the biggest things that hold people back is having to know exactly how they're going to get from point A to point B. And that's unrealistic. I feel like right now we have intuition and common sense that we don't even trust. And we know the person that we aspire to be. We know the things that they're doing that we're currently not doing. And we still not doing it. So if we start to just at least move in the direction, I feel like the steps get revealed to us more as we're going along the journey. And it's not going to all come at the beginning. That's part of faith.